y'all know about this shit?
I
Real
don't know
hip hop
about
shit.
I don't know about it, dog.
Yo. I be on my 1-2, nigga, look at how I push up. Once was at the ground and the nigga used to look up. But now I'm looking up, higher than I ever been, flyer than I ever been. Just know that I'm just heaven sit, spitting that hell's flame, 666 shit. Niggas like, damn, get that Robitussin, that Vic shit. Niggas like, own that shit? Nah, never leased it. Niggas like, damn, what you whip that shit? Nah, beast this. Nigga, beast this. I'm up in beast mode. I'm flying, motherfucker, in the goddamn cock pilot. Huh. I think I might take a fucking trip to Vegas just so I could fucking take a nap. How real is that? Yeah, and I gotta fucking fly back to go up on the motherfucking movies with my moms. I can't fucking help that the nigga dropping bombs. You would think the nigga was Iraq or Saddam. Pay attention to my arm. Now pay attention to the rocks up on my fucking charm. Now pay attention to my shoes. I am a fucking don. Now pay attention to your bitch up on my fucking dick, pogo stick, low up on the totem pole type of shit. Because I got all type of fucking bitches, plethora. Nigga, look up at the leather, bruh. Hell yeah, you finna fucking see just how I'm acting when I'm fucking pushing that thing up in that back, man. But I'm not up in the back, no, I'm up in the front. I got these bitches and they know I'm down to do them just for lunch. Breakfast, dinner, maybe brunch. Man, okay, I got a hunch. I'm about to pass it to my nigga because I think his ass is hungry. Oh.
Yeah, I'm hungry a little. I had me a couple of the bitches for dinner. Okay, but shit, I don't remember the recipe. All I know is that I need another bitch next to me. Okay, I'm nice and I'm fresh, smelling like Gucci. Bitches on my dick, yeah, they smell like Gucci. Yeah, she got access to the coochie. I'm like, shit, okay, free pass. Lucky, I'm finna go with Snooki. Oh, she looks just like Snooki. Got the biggest titties just like Snooki. Okay, I told her to give me that cookie. Shit, Oreo, finna dip her so I'm finna go in and go ham, but goddamn I make her say I am the man, and she think I'm her man, and I'm like, bitch, hold up, pause yourself. You need to think about it. Guard yourself, cause I ain't no type of nigga that fall in love with hoes. It's always a motherfucking MOB, and it's always bros over the hoes. Yeah, you ain't the one that probably been chose. You just the only one that's been chose for woes, meaning just the eyes when our butts explode. I know I'm cold, but you know what? The nigga wristin' probably froze. The motherfucker got on his gazelles. That's old school as hell. Run DMC for show though. Oh, and the wrist though, never seen machine though, but it's called mache ho. Yeah, a couple carrots though. Huh. Oh, nasty. That was nasty, bro. They don't want it. They do not want it.
I smell the shit. I smell the shit.
Oh shit, nigga. Goddamn. Open the window.